learn the function called concatenate. Now, some of you may have the function called concatenate. Some of you may have the function called concat, C-O-N-C-A-T. It really depends upon what version of Microsoft Excel you have. What we're trying to do, or what the concatenate function does, is it takes A column and this B column, and it makes it look like the C column. It will put it together exactly that way, whatever way I want it to go. And the formula is concatenate, select the A column, and then in between that, I want to put a comma in. So you've got to tell it in the formula you want a comma, and I want a space. So that's another entry that I also have to do with quote, space, quote, and then the B column. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do this together. So I want you to come over to your function to insert your function, and you're looking for concatenate. And if you don't see concatenate, you want to see concat, and you want to click OK. So the formula is, in the text one, we want to know what we're going to be merging together. So in this case, I'm going to select A3 through A31, and I'm going to left click now in my second box. And in the second box, after the last name, I want to put in a comma. So the way to do that is shift quote, comma, quote. That's how you do that. Now the next box, I want to put a space after the comma. So that is shift quote, space bar, quote. And then in the last box, text 4, I am going to select the B column. So it's going to be just selecting the B column all the way down to the end. And when I click OK, there you go. It's separated exactly the way it did in C. That's what I wanted. And I can do my autofill down, and you can see it will drag it down automatically. That is how easy concatenate is. Now, if you wanted to select the B column and have first name last, all you need to do is just reverse B3, B31, just the opposite here, and it will just reverse it. I'll have Tony and then his last name. Very easy to do, but when you're putting in, for example, that comma, you want to make sure that it's quote, comma, quote. And then if you want to put a space, because there's a space here, it's quote, space, quote. So that's exactly the way the function looks like. And if you have any questions, I hope I've explained this to you all. And if you have any questions, put down in the comment section. If there's anything that you'd like to see, by all means, please put it in the comment section. And if you like what I'm doing, and if you want me to keep creating more videos, please subscribe to my channel. I thank you for your time, and have a great day.